Hey everyone, today I have here a completely dead ThinkPad X1 9th generation carbon. I tried the pinhole reset, I tried draining it, and all that stuff didn't work. Here is how to swap out the battery. If you flip it over, there are 5 screws on the back side. All Phillips, all you have to do is just turn them counterclockwise to remove them. Upon removing the cover, here is the battery. There's 1 screw here, number 2 here, 3 over here, 4 here, 5 here, and then 6 over here. Turn them all counterclockwise to remove them. After that, battery pulls out easily just like this. That's it. Now you can take your new battery and then swap it right in. When putting the new battery in, align the leads for positive and negative right over here, as well as the screw holes. Screw the 6 screws back in place. Reinstall the 5 back cover screws. And now you're good to go with the new battery. That's how you do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.